Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. As you are undoubtedly aware, there have been some mysterious, to say the least, events associated with the unsealing of several dozen documents from January, February, and March 2025 in Idaho versus Kohberger, which Judge Hippler, in his December 18th, 2025 order, directed were to be unsealed, gave the reasons why others would continue to be sealed, but as to the documents to be unsealed with or without redactions, the court found no reason to keep sealing this information from the public. There was a period where nothing happened until December 30th, 2025, when a few documents from the end of March were unsealed, only to be taken down off the public docket later that same day with no details, no explanation as to what was going on, and no indication as to when they might reappear on the docket, as well as the other several dozen documents that the court ordered December 18th to be unsealed to the public. Unfortunately, as of this morning, which is January 6th, 2026, there was nothing new on the docket regarding unsealing of documents from January, February, and March 2025. However, the case summary page, which had not been updated for quite a while, indicated something which may give us a clue as to what is going on behind scenes. In looking at case summary, there is a new notation. January 5th, 2026, the final item on case summary is an order sealing state's supplemental motion to reconsider unsealing of certain records. It appears that case summary was updated today, the 6th of January at 1:40 p.m. local time in Ada County. And this is quite perplexing because if we look back to October 30th of 2025, you will see that the state of Idaho filed state's response to the court's third order regarding sealed documents and gave their objections and non-objections as that October 16th order required. Then there was a filing of November 25th, 2025, state's request for decision without hearing. And then on the 18th of December, 2025, before the court issued the aforementioned order unsealing, redacting, and or maintaining sealed status, there was an order sealing state's motion to reconsider unsealing of certain records. The next item is the December 18th court order regarding the unsealing of documents. And now, January 5th, 2025, an order sealing state's supplemental motion to reconsider unsealing of certain documents. So, as best as we can tell, because there's nothing on the court docket as of this evening regarding this order, the state of Idaho was somehow displeased, it appears, with what Judge Hippler was going to release to the public and filed certain documents to ask the court to reconsider. The first was back on the 25th of November, 2025, and best we can tell, state's request for decision without hearing, and then followed by the order sealing state's motion to reconsider unsealing of certain records. And now we see there's apparently been a supplemental. This is supplementing what came on the 18th of December, 2025. So this may be, and we're just speculating here because these documents are under seal, the reason why there appears to have been a holdup in getting the documents ordered to be unsealed on the docket, remain on the docket for the public to be able to see what happened in this case that was withheld from the public back in January, February, and March. We're going to continue to monitor the situation as further developments arise. Until next time, This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.